Big brother Naija star Mercy Eke. Abina Eke, I don't know. My people, this one don't escape one fraud where in fact they were about to dupe this girl now. Now only God knows how many millions, how many this way they account. My people, now so this girl receive call. Wisdom is very important. And they tell her every time. Now so she pick up and as the conversation starts, it be like say because she wise up. She can't detect, say, the wires are not connected here in this thing. As she received the call, and so the guy started asking her questions. Say, your bank details, this one, that one. Now, so she can't wonder, I don't understand. My people, now so the scammer can't tell her, say, even they tell her, say, read the number for me so that I will, you understand. Now, so Mercy Eke can't tell her, say, is it not better for me to come to the bank? You understand? Normal level, because my people, any problem when you get with bank, they suppose call you. You go there in person, except maybe you are in another state or something. I bet banks there everywhere. You understand? They suppose call her, make she come back. Now there the matter even when they get interesting, because the man come tell her say, oh no, just call it for me. Just my people. When password matter enter, now there come, I won't kill myself. So I say, I beg, I don't want to talk anything with my own mouth. Because join me, make me watch the video.
37, 36, 31. That's the number I was using, sir.
37, 36, 31.
Yes, sir.
You have to check very well, madam. It's not correct.
Maybe I should come to the bank, sir.
Don't you remember the one you used last? The mobile services number you used last to do transfer?
That's 37, 36, 31.
But it's not correct. Because if it's correct, it's going to appear here what you call it, okay?
Can I do forget password?
Okay, do you want to know? Did you forget it before?
Because I was trying it, it's not working.
Please bring it out.
Okay, I have it, sir.
Okay, do you see the expiring date?
Yes, sir.
What is the expiring date? How is it written?
It says go back to school.
Right, foolish woman.
Which one be can I do forgot password? I never hear for bank details. Physical. For now way like open your mouth, they don't say nah lie, it's not real, it's this one, it does not exist. It they happen, no. Say it never happened to you, no mean say you know they happen. These people, in fact, every day they increase in numbers. Every day they increase in number. You know how many people they fall inside this trap. Some people where they regret, where they say, if I know. They fall inside this trap every day. Now why I bring her out so that when I go not say things like this, Mercy. In fact, you have wisdom. You have wisdom of the wise. No, sorry, you have wisdom. Yes, so because if another person now, maybe out of fear or out of, you understand, say, what did not happen to my bank account? They go give details, complete and correct details. But this one, you think and where? Go back to school. I mean, that go back to school now for me. I've been a I don't know how these people they use this app. I don't know whether an app they use, but my people, I notice one thing. Their voice always did the same. No, check out. All the videos and audios where I don't hear about all these scammers, their voice always did the same. I don't know whether na one person, I've been at one particular app where they use. Very serious. So I bet make una dey alive, make una shine. See, this one a real bad market for this one. He go look for another victim. When I think say he go stop there because this one. Now why they know they use their real voice? And they show say na app. Now why they know they use? They go look for another victim where they go use. You understand? They don't hear say Mercy don't buy G-Wagon na target. Now see why in a way, you go to keep your life private small. In a way, although sometimes you need push them out to shame your enemies. But this one now negative side, because they don't hear say buy G-Wagon, no, this one, she for share. See, Mercy do one mistake. You for put that man number out. Me will frustrate in life. Very, very important. Me will teach him how to They plenty oh, my people are beg. Now why I bring her out? I see they repeat am. Be alert, be ready, be vigilant, and be wise. Once you see anything funny, person call you. Once you start to notice something, attack. Very important. Always be on it. In fact, let your red light be shining like this. If not, they go take advantage of you, use your money, use so bank. Wetin we never see for this place. I bet for una wey dey use any bank, una wey dey use any bank at all. If you receive call, go to the bank physically. We don't get this matter like how many now. Go to the bank physically. If they call you, say, this one, there is a problem with this, there is a... Please, I am coming to the bank. Una go see, based on the response wey they go give una supposed to say na scam. As simple as that. Because any real bank matter, you suppose dey there physically. Maybe you suppose sign something. Maybe you... Very important. You understand? So I beg, now why I bring this matter. So help me share out, make we save ourselves from a lot of drama and stress. Very, very important. And heart attack. Yes, because if they take my money, now heart attack. And don't forget to drop that comment for that comment section so that we are going to reply now one by one. Anything where you guys to talk concerning this matter. And don't forget again to subscribe. Very, very important. How you want to get interesting matters like this one? Myself, I do wonder. Stay tuned for our next story.